Can we do it? There's the last 5. Can we do it? You got it in there! Yay! Yes, we did. You got it in there. There's some more. Tough to pick up. They're slippery. Did you get in there? You did! You got that one in there too. You're so good. You got that one in there too. You got another one. Some more? Some more? Do some more. Here's some more. That's a little one. Very slippery. Little one, slippery. Oh, that one made it down there. Here, Mom will get that one. Mom will get that one. Okay, there you go. Yeah. You get it? Oh, it's up on your face. You did it! You got it in there! Good job, Lucas! Good job. Good job, Luke. Good job, Lukey. Yeah, that's right. Yay! You want another one? Here's another one. Here's another one. Yeah. You love strawberry, huh? Slippery, I know. They're tough. They're tough, but you're doing so good. Want to try that one instead? And you get it. There you go. Oh, it's up on your nose. Did you? Oh, you got it in there. Good. You did. You got it in there. Yeah, Lucas. Oh, honey, that's your teeth. Careful. Don't crush your teeth. Don't scratch your teeth. Don't do that. Don't do that. Mama doesn't like that. Here. Here's one more. Here's one more. You get that one in there? Yay! That's right. That's right. Get this one. Last one. Can you get it in there? Can you get it in there? Oh, missed it. Nope. It's over there. Right in the, you can't see it. That's fine. Oh, missed it. That's a tricky one, huh? Last one right here. You can get it. That's a phantom one, huh? Thought you had it. Nope. Don't have it. Nope. It's right there. It's right there. You see it? Yeah. Pick it up. You can get it. You can get it. Now you can do it. Now you got it. You did it! You got the strawberry! Yay! You're so cute.